In this video, I'm going to walk through how to use AI, artificial intelligence, to build a hybrid trading plan. That's what I'm going to cover in this video. So essentially, we got to use the tools that are available. It's 2023. So I'm going to show you how I've been able to use this, and you're going to be able to do the same exact thing too with these prompts. So I will leave the prompt that I'm using for you to follow, right? And then make sure that you kind of just go through the steps yourself. And at the end, we should get a pre-trade checklist, a pre-entry checklist, and then a post-trading checklist. Essentially, this will help you build, based on your routine and personality, your own hybrid trading plan based on your goals and everything like that. And you can refine it over time, right? So let's take the first step. The first step is to make sure you have a free account with ChatGPT's OpenAI, or actually OpenAI's ChatGPT. So you're just gonna Google ChatGPT, the letter G, P-T, or you can go directly to chat.openai.com. Now, if you don't have an account, obviously you're gonna make an account. And if you do, you're going to go ahead and log in. So I'm going to log in to my account, and we are going to start with a fresh conversation with this artificial intelligence tool. It's extremely powerful, right? So as you can see, I've got a ton of different chats here. So I'm going to make sure I got a new chat open. And this is how it looks like. It says, "How can I help you today?" And it kind of gives you an idea of how it works. But here's what I'm going to focus on. I'm going to ask it, right? The first thing you want to do is, do you know what hybrid trading is? That's what I recommend you start off with. Click enter, and let's take a look. As of my last knowledge update, hybrid trading refers to a trading strategy that combines elements of both algorithmic or automated trading and manual trading. So you are making all of the decisions, and you're simply using software to automate certain parts of your trading. All right. Hybrid trading systems aim to leverage the strengths of both approaches. The automated component can execute trades based on predefined algorithms, taking advantage of speed, while human traders can provide oversight and adjust your strategies based on what's going on in the market itself, the market conditions. And it's important to note that the terminologies can evolve, but this is basically it. So, and you can even ask it, so hybrid trading is basically me and robots working together to make money, right? Yes, that's a simplified way to understand it. In hybrid trading, the combination of human decision-making and automated algorithms aim to capitalize on the strength of both approaches. So here's what we're going to do. We make sure that the system understands what hybrid trading is. And if that's not the response that you got, you explain to it what it is. It's human discretionary approach combined with software to create profitability. Then we need to tell it what tools we have available. All right, so I'm just going to copy this. And I'm going to say, okay, help me build a personal hybrid trading plan using the information I give you. When you understand the task, drop me a fire emoji. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I grab these prompts that I'm asking it here and add this here so that when you get access to this video, you can simply copy and paste and replace what you need. So I just told it what to do. And then I said, when you understand, drop a fire emoji. The robot says, fire. I understand your request. Please provide me with the relevant information about your preferences, risk tolerant, time commitment, and any specific assets or market you're interested in. Additionally, let me know if there's any indicators you'd like to incorporate into your trading plan. That is powerful. That means this is truly you creating a plan with the system. All right. So I'm going to start off by saying, okay, I am a young entrepreneur with 2 young kids at home, 2 and 4 to be precise. So I need to be on point with my flow. You can talk to it like it's your friend. I'm available 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern for trading. I also don't want to stare at charts all day. I have access to a trade manager that is designed to automatically calculate position sizes for me. I'll break even and even trail individual positions. Okay. Individual positions. I have access to an equity management tool that makes sure I secure profits when I meet a target, and also that closes all trades if I lose more than I'm willing to for the day or week. I like to trade USD pairs because the DXY is easy to follow, right? Let me see what else. I just had some stuff on my notes. Okay. All right. Then I want to make sure I tell it my goals. I want to make 1 to 2% per week using this system, and I'm pretty conservative, so I probably will risk 0.0625% to 0.25% max per trade. Then I'm going to tell it, build me a pre-trade checklist, a pre-entry checklist, and build me a pre-trade checklist, pre-entry checklist, and post-session checklist based on the information that I have given you so far. I also do not trade Mondays. So Tuesday through Friday, robot, make me proud. Right? So it's great that you have a clear schedule, and tools to assist you in your trading based on the information. Here's a suggested pre-trade checklist, pre-entry checklist, and post-session checklist. So what it's basically telling me to do, right, is to review the overall market conditions, focusing on the DXY and any relevant news, identify key support and resistance levels, supply and demand levels on the pairs that I'm considering, make sure I look at the economic calendar, all right? Risk management, confirm that my position size aligns with my risk tolerance, and ensure my equity management tool is properly set up to secure profits and limit losses. Then, use technical indicators or strategies to identify potential entry points. So that's basically up to what I like to use to enter, and verify that the trade manager is set up to calculate position sizes and manage trades as needed. So this is powerful. This is a pre-trade checklist. Now, before I enter, what it's telling me to do based on the information I've provided so far is to double check the market conditions and ensure they align with my analysis. I've already done the analysis. Confirm that there's no up and coming news events that might impact your trades. Now, over here, we like the news, so we're not going to not trade the news, right? But based on the information here, it's just I can ask it to adjust this and say, hey, I'd like to trade the news. I don't want to not trade the news, right? Entry criteria. Ensure that my entry criteria or signals are met, and confirm that my risk to reward ratio is acceptable for the trade. Then I'm going to verify that the trade manager is ready to execute the trades, and then reassess the risk of the trade and confirm that it falls within my risk tolerance. Once again, that's my pre-entry checklist. After the trades are taken, review the trades. Evaluate the outcome of each trade executed during the session. Identify any patterns or behaviors that can inform future decisions. Assess my overall performance against my weekly goal of 1 to 2%, and review any trades that deviated from the plan and understand why. Step 3, adjust the trading plan if necessary. If needed, make adjustments to my trading plan based on the day's performance and market conditions, and then set weekly targets. Set clear targets for the upcoming trading days to maintain a disciplined and goal-oriented approach. Emotional check. Reflect on your emotional state during each trading session. Ensure that the emotions did not influence my decisions. Now, this is cool. This is cool. Can you make it based on Tuesday, Friday? Like, build me the routine on a time flow. All right. Now it's going to optimize literally what I just asked it to do. And now it's going to add time into it because I asked it to do it. And if any of this stuff is not on point, I simply ask it to reassess. Okay, so I'm going to say, thank you so much. I will now use this plan to add to my trading routine. There you go. So based on the times that I told it I have available, based on the goals that I placed inside of here, based also on my risk tolerance, this system just built me a custom hybrid trading plan that if I follow just psychologically, just follow the simple routine here, I'm already winning. Why? Because part of this whole process is to understand your data, your risk to reward, your average win rate. You would have already back tested a winning strategy. At this point, what you're doing is you're simply adding your personality, time, availability, and goals into it. So this is more like a flashcard, and the assistant is there to remind you. So you can literally print this out and say, okay, my morning routine is on one flashcard. My trading session is on flashcard 2. And after I trade, that's flashcard 3. 3 flashcards help you grow capital consistently because now you're doing it without emotion and you're checking yourself through the process. So without further ado, I didn't want to make this long at all because that's not what it's supposed to be. How to use artificial intelligence to build a hybrid trading plan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of the prompts that I manually typed here and make sure that I have it on this page. And then I will share this page along with this video so that you'll have access to it. I'm going to push the video first, okay? But then I will make sure that there is the text available with the video inside of the Elevated FX website. All right, so I'll see you soon. I'll talk to you later, and have a blessed night.